Yep. Hollow. 23.
Okay, it's going to be a big pile up here.
Yep. 16, 15, 14. I say we shoot. No one else is below.
Okay, we're going to go.
So you got the laser and Leo.
What's up with this slow laser guy? Who was over?
Don't worry about it, it's not us.
Nine 476.
Okay, we have no boats on port. Laser and Leo tacked. Contender, same tack.
Pointing higher.
Yep.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Perfect.
Oh yeah. Nice and high.
Up.
I've got
Up. I'm already tackled, or I'm already headed, so.
Okay, I just gotta watch these boats.
Okay, that's okay.
Starboard!
Call them off.
Starboard! 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 Watch the Wayfarer! Oh, look. Keep your course, baby. Don't follow his taco up. He's low. He's low, Paul. He's low.
Yeah, I know. I'm pinching.
Okay. Not yet, not
Gonna
yet.
make it?
Not yet. Yeah, you will. Down. Okay, down.
Okay, turning, boom out.
Yep.
Out all.
Yeah, got it. Okay, it's wanting to drive.
Yep, go.
It's wanting
All I
to.
can see is Scott. Tell me boat lengths to the mark if you can see it.
The mark is starting to be over here. I'd say we're about 4. So yeah, turn up.
4 boat
Straight
lengths
down.
and we're way too low still.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I think we need to jibe.
Yeah, we will need to drive.
My kid wants to.
Okay, go.
Going. Pressing. Okay. Tightening up.
Yep, hold in.
Yep.
Downwind, Madi.
Let me know if I put too much on the unhaul.
Nope, that's good.
Okay. Okay, jib is happy. You're good. Okay. Good call, there's our wind. Oh yeah, there's wind up all the middle. It's dead on that right side now. You're clear of boats ahead.
Jibing.
Okay, jibing. Crossing. Going up. Your outhill's off.
Yep.
And to the finish. I'm not gonna sit.
Go across.
Crossing.
Gonna get that pulled up on port. Got it?
Yeah. Good.
Okay, you got green?
Green. Pull the pole over to your side.
Oh, no, whoa.
Need to get some wind on my end and we're good. Okay.
Just don't want you to go too far.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, the main's oversheeted.
Yep. Don't turn down anymore.
Yep.
You can.
Pole's too high.
Pole's too high.
Yep.
Okay. So I just let it out a little bit.
Yep.
There. My green line's stuck under the jib.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to remedy that.
I'm busy.
Yeah, we just finished lure. You're done. You're done. You got second. It says L2. You're done. Well done.
It's caving in the middle. I don't know what to
Okay, just sheet.
do. Sheet in. That's as far as it goes. It's stretched.
There's no fucking wind, that's the problem.
We're almost there. So close. Woo!
I'll take a 3.
Thank you very much. Oh, and now it fills in. Great. That's nice.
Oh yeah, the pole.
Yeah.
Pole is